Looking semi-sexy there, I like it. Hello! Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Joe. I just wanted to do this video because I wanted to share with you something that I do, and that's my work, and that's what I do every day, Monday to Friday. I wake up dead early to do the breakfast show on this station here, Feeling My Muff, XS Manchester. I wake up that early, in fact, that I walk past the club. And I walk past the club, and it's still open till 6 AM. So I could technically go in for the last hour, out my head. And then there's also a kebab place that's open till 6 AM, which means I could have a kebab for breakfast. Which means one day, if you fancy it, we'll do a video. We're going to have a doner kebab at 5:20 in the morning. Walking down through St. Peter's Square now, so all the trams are just starting. I look a bit tired, but I wanted to introduce you a little friend that I have to pass every day on my walk. Not give him a name yet, so maybe you can comment below of what we should call him. He's fucking terrifying, and at 5 in the morning it kind of gives you a little scare you need. But there he is. Yep, one arm, no idea why. Just bold as brass. The middle of Manchester. Wow. And I won't lie, it does shit me up every single time. But basically in this video I thought I'd just share with you something mad that I did this week. And also, if you like it, I might just bring my camera around with me all the time, because we do some mad stuff. Nearly swore then. Last week we played football, but in cars. So, June 2019, I decided it'd be a bit of a laugh to race a tram. Didn't go well.
Can't even see him. He's failed. That's the tram.
It's gone. But for charity, we decided actually, let's do it again. This time with the mate who also does XS Manchester Breakfast, Adam Brown. We get off at Manchester Piccadilly, if you don't know it. It's the main sort of hub of trains and stuff in town. And then we had to leg it to Deansgate Castlefield. I wanted to show you this video because it's a bit of a laugh and I think you like it. And if you do like it, then I might bring my camera around more, like I've just said, and film and capture some of the crazy stuff we do, especially with Halloween and bonfire night and Christmas all coming up. Might be a bit of a laugh. If you don't, this will be the home of Pool Party. Don't worry about that. We've got loads more coming up, and we're filming some more at the end of October. So any guests you want to see at Pool Party, make sure you let me know, and I'll try my best to get them on. So what I'm going to show you now is basically Man vs Tram 2, The Revenge. Yeah? I hope you like it, and let me know what you think of this kind of video. This is Man vs Tram 2, The Revenge.
I think they're gonna do it. You ready? Yeah.
Right, here we are, Man vs Tram 2. The day is finally upon us, Joe. I'm nervous. How are you feeling?
I'm nervous as well, Adam.
Right,
Very
okay.
nervous.
This time we're going to do it. We're going to get on the tram, we're going to get off at Piccadilly Station, and we've got to run and get back on the same tram at Deansgate Castlefield. Obviously, we need 2 people to be on the tram. Matt White, Simon Binns, they'll take it from here.
All the best.
We're going to do it!
All the best.
Good luck, Let's do it! Oh, we're going!
What do you reckon?
I think Joe might do it because he's done it before, so he knows 20 seconds makes a difference.
Chill. Let's get our pace. Let's get our pace.
I don't think they're gonna do it.
No, they're gonna do it.
Alright. Alright.
Piccadilly Gardens, where you can change for services to Bury.
Okay, this is where we could do with it being slow.
Yeah, all these people are getting off.
Take your
Under
time,
Piccadilly
take your
Gardens.
time. Take time.
This is a service to
Cause a scene.
No rush.
Create a diversion. Right, so we're just leaving Piccadilly Gardens. We haven't seen them. It wasn't the slowest change ever, was it? But it's given them about 30 seconds.
I reckon it's bought some time. We're good. We're good. Oh!
What?
Oh no, it's a jogger. It's a
There's
jogger.
just another
It's a jogger.
person running. This has stopped for quite a while at St.
Just
Peter's
about
Square.
to leave St. Peter's Square.
I'm expecting to see him just like chariots of fire. They're not going to do it.
We're now approaching Deansgate Castle Field,
Do you think Adam's had a
where you can change the national
Adam's had a
rail
fall? Are we here already? I not even.
Oh, hang on, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming. Come on, boys!
They're going to do it. Right, these lads are going to give him a standing ovation when they come on.
Press the button, press the button, press that button, press that button. Well done, boys.
Look at that.
Well done, mate. Well done. Well done. Well done, lads. Just
Well done.
hey!
Tram versus Tram 2. Complete. Oh, all for amazing cause, Reuben's Retreat. Thank you for donating. You can still donate now. Just click on the link on our Twitter page.
Yes.
Same time next year, Joe.
Should we get the tram back to the studio?
I don't want to see a tram ever again.
All
mate.
right,
Let's go.